Okay, believe it or not, this this is a do-over. The red part of the flames was a fluke that I did. I was trying to something, and it's like, wow, those look like real flames. So I'm going to do this blue and gray part today and do over it. And this may be something I keep, or it may be something I line the trash can with. We're about ready to find out here in a few minutes. Stand by. Okay, here we go. I'm going to put a black background on it, and and then I'll be back when I put the paint here we on. Go. I got the by. Black on there, and if that doesn't look strange, I don't know what does. But I'm going to turn it around so I can blow it against my black drop, and I'm going to commence adding some color to it, and then we'll be back for the blow and see what happens. This is like the best of two worlds, Hades below and something above. Hold on. Oh boy. Okay, here we go. I got a little of earth tones here, and let's see what we got. This is bizarre. It is really crazy. I got both siennas raw and a little bit of turquoise, some white, a little bit of Floetrol right there, and Amsterdam white. So let's see what happens. You know what this calls for? The big blow. Here we go. Okay, folks. 1, 2, 3. Well, that's wicked. How about baby blow? Let's get baby blower going here. See what this bad boy can get into. All right, folks. That is crazy looking. What do you think? Okay. I'm thinking this just might give somebody nightmares. Wow. What an explosion of different colors. That looks like it could be a subduction zone for an earthquake ready to hit. Tell you what, I'm going to stop it right here, see what happens when it dries a little bit, pop some bubbles, and I'll be back a little later. I'm not sure. This is really interesting. I'll be back. Okay. You know, I really am undecided. Somebody's either really going to like it or they're just going to throw it in the trash can and walk away in disgust. I am making a few polywogs here, getting rid of some strange little bubbly things, and making it a little wiggly at the same time. And I find this to be very crazy. So, I'm going to leave it, and we'll see what happens when it dries. I'll give you a video of it, or a picture when it's all done. Anyway, this is Richard, sheltering in place thanks to the latest alleged pandemic. So I'm old anyway, I got to stay home. Anyway, thanks for watching. Here's a picture, talk to you later. A little bit up close. I'm just going to zoom in kind of the middle. Anyway, those are the bottom flames from Hades, and these are the ones that are trying to escape into the blue ethersphere. Very strange. Okay, we'll let her dry and see what we end up with. This is Richard. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye. This is a couple of days after I finished the pour and blow, and here it is. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see some of the results of the mixing of the paint. And I'm telling you, it is not like anything I've seen yet on the internet. People have done. I'm sure there may be something out there, but I haven't come across it. It is crazy. I'm telling you, it looks like flames, and I surely did not intend this to happen. So I couldn't duplicate this again if somebody wanted to pay me. So anyway, either you're going to like it or you're going to really hate it, one or the other. But I'm keeping it just for the heck of it because it's different. So this is Richard. Thanks for watching. See you next time.